Hey, this is Coach Willie, the Holistic Trainer, and this is a technique for myofascial release of your knee. What we're going to be doing is a technique called patella gliding. To perform this technique, you're going to need to be in a position where the leg you're doing this on is straight. So whether that's in your bed at home or on the floor, you need your leg to be straight. When we're doing this technique, you're going to start out, as I said earlier, with your leg straight out. You're going to use your index finger and your thumb to start to move your patella, which is the bone that sits on top of your knee. You'll notice I'm making a little pinching position with my fingers, and I'm pushing my patella to the side and back the other direction. I want to try to find that bone and just start to create a little bit of movement. Oftentimes, the patella is stuck and it becomes very rigid and it doesn't allow movement to occur. So we want to start to allow that patella to be able to move back and forth. We can do this motion here where it's going side to side, and also an up and down motion. You'll notice I'm using my index finger and my thumb to create this, and then I can begin to also do a rotational motion. It's not going to be a gigantic motion. Don't expect it to move all over the place, but we do want that bone to have a little freedom of movement where it can move in multiple directions, up and down, side to side, and rotationally. When you're doing this technique, I would set a timer for 2 to 5 minutes and do one knee, then set a timer and do 2 to 5 minutes on the other knee. And what you may notice is one knee you have much more freedom of movement on. One knee, it's much more stuck. So the side that you have more challenge on, spend more time doing that side. And this is a technique for myofascial release of your knee, otherwise known as patella gliding.